with your travel agent David, and today we spent the night in the State Hotel. The State Hotel is located near the waterfront, and what's really awesome is right around the corner is the market. So it's really conveniently located right by the wharf where the aquarium is at, right by where the big wheel's at. So within like a 10-minute walk, you can get to a lot of the tourist attractions. You're probably about a 20-minute walk to the stadium. So if you're coming in for the stadiums, this is probably a good place for you. So the room is pretty well appointed. You can, for $10, get a box of water, but apparently boxed water is better. There's a parking garage right across the street. It's $27 for 24-hour parking, but it doesn't have in and out privileges. The one that they use that has in and out privileges is right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right next to this building right here, the west edge. I saw $27 parking, busy street, so I just went into it. So you can park out front. That's what I was gonna do, but there was a bus blocking it and my tail end was sticking out and I didn't want to get in an accident or get a ticket. So just hustled over there. But anyway, it still works, 24-hour access, $27 for 24 hours. You just don't have hop in and hop out. Now, they did give us upon check-in 2 poker chips for $15 each for drinks or to be used at the restaurant. So the breakfast is going to be served after we have to leave. So drink time.